since I was fired for being a train engineer, maybe I'll just be a truck driver instead. It shouldn't be that hard. I mean, you're just driving a motor vehicle. I'll have to go through months of training for it, though. Nah, what the heck, I'll be a truck driver. Why not?
Many months of training later.
Okay, let's see if I remember how to do this. Oh, right, start the engine. Put it in drive. Use the GPS. Find the exit. Here it is. This is so much fun. This was easier than I thought it would be. Nothing like the open road. Just so beautiful. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, turn loose, close, crap, 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 crap. Not again. Oh, my head. Oh. Ugh. I'm gonna be fired for this for sure. Ah, crap. The boss is ready to see you. Alright. Tell him I'll be in a minute. Okay, will do.
There's the guy who fired me for being a pilot. Great, I know I recognized him from somewhere. What the heck are you doing here? Wait, I recognize you. The Flushing Toilet, you are fired. Get out of my sight now.
Apparently, crashing a truck into a guardrail, is not how you're supposed to drive a truck, and is not part of the job description of a truck driver. Welp, I guess it's back to hunting for another job. But where should I work for? What should I do next?